Hi everybody, welcome to Kathy's Beautiful Blooms. I'm working on a little project. If you've seen these Valentine robots that people are making for the children's classroom parties, I found an easy way to make the bow. I'm making 32 of these, so I needed an easy way to make that many mini bows in a hurry. So what I came up with is I have my little applesauce, and here's the tab and the date, so you'll want to find a clean spot. So I'm going to put it about right here. I cut off about, I guess about 10 inches of this 1/4 inch Valentine ribbon. And you'll want to start with it upside down. And then you'll just, all you do is you just wrap your finger around it and hold it like that. Come over the top like this and hold it just like that. Sorry, am I going off camera? Okay, so, and then you just put your little glue dot behind it and press down. Put your glue dot right here underneath the first one and hold that down. And while you're holding that down, just put a glue dot right on top of your applesauce, okay? And then you'll just attach it right there and just hold it for a second. And I have these this ribbon that has the cute little hearts on it. So I'm gonna cut it about 1 inch. And I'm going to put a glue dot right here in the center. And I'm gonna put my little strip of hearts upside down, and I'm gonna hold that to secure it extra. Put another little glue dot right there, and then I'm just gonna roll it up and over the glue, and I'm gonna hold that for a second, just like that. So that'll be very sturdy. And then I just cut these little tabs at the end, just like that. And I get rid of my excess glue, and I have this one done already. Okay, let's make another one. Let me get another applesauce. Okay, so I just turn it over and I look for the tab and I look for the date, and then I plan to put it right here in the middle. And then I'm just going to start upside down with my ribbon. So when you're done, it will say Valentine's Day. When it's done, it'll say Valentine's Day if you start with it upside down when you're making your mini bow, okay? So I'm gonna start with it upside down, wrap it around my finger like this, come back over and hold it just like that. See? And now I'm just gonna get my glue gun and I'm gonna glue 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Because I could be here all day if I handmade all of these individually the long way. And then I have my little heart tab. I'm just going to cut off about 1 inch. Put a glue dot right there. Put it lay it on there upside down, and just go ahead and hold that for a second because you want it to be nice and secure. Okay, and then put your another glue dot right there in the middle, and then you just roll it up and over the top of your glue. And once you get it rolled nice, you'll just go ahead, you can press it down and hold that for a second, and then fluff up your little, then you can fluff up your little loop, and then you just cut your ribbon diagonally, and that is all you do to that. And then you put your little eyes here, and your juice box, and your raisins, and your Smarties, and whatever else you're going to put on your robot. Happy crafting, everyone. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I'll see you a little bit later this afternoon. I'm going to be making a beautiful lavender wreath. Don't miss it.